How to make your Facebook profile private. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can make our Facebook profile private. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to make your Facebook profile private, you just need to follow some steps. So first of all, launch your Facebook app. After that, log in into the account that you want to make private. After entering to your account, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So I want you to go to your profile after that and tap on your profile name. And after tapping on it, you just need to tap on this three dot here. But before that, make sure you have updated your Facebook app, because the new updated Facebook has this feature of locking your profile, which means you can make your Facebook account private. So in order to do that, just tap on that three dot and get to this interface. After getting here, you will be able to see this lock profile option at the fifth. Just tap on lock profile and confirm the lock your profile option. After confirming it, when you try to look at from another account, or if someone tries to look it from another account, they won't be able to see your account unless they are friends with you. So therefore, that's how you make your Facebook account private very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.